Hey guys, what's going on? I didn't realize you were coming over this afternoon. What am I doing? Oh, nothing. Just getting ready for the post-election party. Hang out for a second and have a beer, and let me clean the workbench off here, and then we can do something. Yeah, but be right back. Okay, gentlemen, sorry about that. I got a new GBS-8200. There's the same breadboardage from before. That CGA output of the Tandy 1000 HX going into the resistor bridge on the breadboard, generating analog RGB and composite sync using an exclusive OR gate, and then going into the GBS-8200 and out to a VGA monitor. And it's actually working this time, since replacing that bad GBS-8200. It's kind of frustrating. If I'd realized that was bad sooner, I could have gotten my money back, but it's been sitting on the shelf waiting for this project, and it's way too late to return it, so my loss, I guess. So, more GBS-8200 annoyances. It just started doing this flickering shit on the top and the bottom. Okay, so to try to clean up the video signal, I transferred what I had on the breadboard so far onto this piece of proto board. Not really much to it there, just the IC and the resistors, and I've got all of the unused gates on the IC, their inputs tied to ground, and a decoupling capacitor here on the bottom of the board and all of that shit. And let me get this plugged back in. And as you can see, that cleaned the sync signal up quite well. That's looking pretty good as far as I can tell. And that's coming straight off of the GBS-8200 board. There is where I'm measuring the sync signal at. And so you can see, it doesn't matter which monitor I use, but I've still got this bullshit going on at the top of the screen, and to a slightly lesser extent at the bottom of the screen. And my assumption is that this is yet another bad GBS-8200, because if I push down on some shit down here, it wigs out a little bit. That may just be capacitance induced by my finger, but that's pretty gnarly. I guess we're at an impasse here with the GBS-8200 board. Having had two bad ones in a row, granted this one's not quite as broken as the previous one was, I'm not very impressed so far. Whoever stuck that QC sticker on there, yeah. Here's a CGA text mode color test on the Tandy 1000 HX. Of course, we don't have the intensity bit hooked up yet, so both the lower and higher colors look the same. But we can see where these two problem colors are going to be already. See, the brown color isn't actually brown; it's yellow, and this dark gray color is black. And as you can see, the shit going on with that GBS-8200 is getting worse. I made the mistake of trying to clean that bottom row there with a brush and some alcohol, and I guess I exacerbated whatever bad solder joint was existing down there, because it is a lot worse now. So yeah, junk. But I mean, where else are we going to get a scan doubler that's affordable? I guess maybe it's just serendipity that I've gotten 2 broken ones in a row. I guess I've got all of my ICs, my analog multiplexer ICs and stuff too, so I guess the next time we work on this, we can start fooling around with that some. But I want to do a few things with the Macintosh 2CI, because unless I lost it already, I bought a wonderful thing for it. Yes, here it is. So yeah, this guy got this to use in an SE30, but they don't work in an SE30. So I think I got a decent price on it. These are getting hard to find though. This is a Daystar Turbo 601. It's a PowerPC 601 accelerator, 66 megahertz 601 accelerator for the Mac 2 030 PDS slot. It replaces the cache card in the Mac 2 CI. And apparently they also work in the 2SI and the 2VX and the VI to limited extents, but it was designed for the for the 2CI, and that's the one that it works the best in. The 2SI doesn't have quite enough power supply for it, otherwise it works, and there's some video issues when using them in the 2V series, I think. So yeah, pretty cool. I hope it works. I don't think he ever tested it, and neither have I, but I have no reason to doubt the man, so that's pretty exciting. We'll be pimping our Mac again. I've been meaning to do another video on it anyway. Alright, thanks for joining me, fellas. Hopefully next time we'll have something a little more exciting to look at.